Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talking about the 10 strongest chakra types in Naruto, ranked from most weakest to strongest. In the Naruto universe, chakra is the essential energy that allows ninjas to perform their techniques. There are 5 basic chakras types: fire, water, wind, earth and lighting. Each chakra types has its own unique properties and strengths. The weakest chakra types are those that are the most common and the easiest to learn. These are fire, water, wind and earth. The strongest chakra type in Naruto are the rarest and the most difficult to learn. So let's start. Number 10. Fire release. Fire release is the most basic and common chakra type. It is characterized by its destructive power. However, it is also the easiest to learn and counter. Fire release techniques can be used to create powerful explosions, but they can also be easily extinguished by water. Number 9. Water release. Water release is also a common chakra type. It is characterized by its versatility and adaptability. Water release techniques can be used to create a variety of effects such as creating barriers, extinguishing fires, or even healing wounds. However, water release techniques are not as powerful as fire release techniques. Number 8. Wind release. Wind release is a powerful chakra type that can cut through objects. However, it is also the most difficult to control. Wind release techniques can be used to create powerful gusts of wind or to even slice through solid objects. Wind release techniques can also backfire and hurt the user. Number 7. Earth release. Earth release is a defensive chakra type and protects the user from attacks. However, it is not as versatile as other chakra types. Earth release techniques can be used to create walls, tunnels, and even weapons. However, they are not as effective against range attacks. Number 6. Explosion release. Explosion release is a Kekkei Genkai assumed to be a combination of earth and lighting. This volatile transformation is exceedingly dangerous to use. One could easily harm themselves or nearby allies. Number 5. Lightning release. Intentionally! Lightning release is the fastest chakra type. It is characterized by its speed and destructive power. However, it is also the most difficult to learn. Lightning release techniques can be used to create powerful lightning bolts or to even travel at lightning speed. However, they requires a great deal of chakra to use and they can be difficult to control. Number 4. Yin release. Yin release is the chakra of the spirit. It is characterized by its ability to control and manipulate the mind. It is also the most difficult to master. Yin release techniques can be used to create illusions, control the minds of others, or even bring the dead back to life. They require a great deal of concentration and focus to use, and they can be easily disrupted. Number 3. Yang release. Yang release is the chakra of the body. It is characterized by its ability to heal and restore life. It is not powerful as Yin release. Yang release techniques can be used to heal wounds, restore lost energy, or even bring the dead back to life. However, they are not as effective as Yin release techniques at controlling the mind. Number 2. Dust release. This release is an incredibly powerful Kekkei Toda formed from a combination of earth, wind and fire. To execute dust release, user generate a small 3-dimensional object in their hands formed from chakra. Number 1. Yin Yang release.
Indra did not accept my decision, and thus from that day on,
Yin Yang release is the rarest and the most powerful chakra type. It is a combination of Yin and Yang release, and it allows the user to create and control all 5 basic chakra types. Yin Yang release techniques are the most versatile and powerful of all chakra techniques. They can be used to create a variety of effects such as healing, attacking, and even creating life. Yin Yang release is also the most difficult to master, and it requires a great deal of chakra to use. In addition to the 5 basic chakra types, there are also a number of Kekkei Genkai or bloodline techniques that are even more powerful. Kekkei Genkai techniques are passed down through families. So those are the 10 strongest chakra types in Naruto, ranked from most weakest to strongest. Of course, this is just my opinion, and there are other ways to rank the chakra types, but I think this is a pretty fair ranking, and it gives you a great idea of the different strengths and weaknesses of each chakra type. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this, and don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the ranking.